I would like here, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, to remind the House that at that time, according to records available at my ministry, the light rail project was being spearheaded by the then Prime Minister's office. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, with regards to part A of the question, I am informed by Metro Express Limited that a proper feasibility study, that is, a proper technical and financial study, was not carried out for Phase 3 of the Metro Express project. In fact, the decision to proceed with the project was made following a case put forward by the consultant for the project, Singapore Corporation Enterprise, in 2016, in its reference design. The consultant had identified the regions of Eben, including the Cyber City and Redri, as a critical commuter base, which justified the need for an efficient mass transit. The then management of MEL, Metro Express Limited, estimated the number of commuters to be 30,000 at Eben and 11,000 at Redri. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I am informed by MEL that this line has much lower commute figures, averaging daily 490 for Saturdays and 522 for Sundays. The total fare amount generated for year 2024 is 30 million rupees, 736,428, resulting in an average monthly amount of 2,561,369 rupees. Worse, if we take the fare amount for last month, February 2025, it's only 1.7 million rupees. That is much less than the expected ridership income. It is therefore evident, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, that MEL is operating at a terrible loss over the line. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, as a professional of the construction industry, I've always viewed this particular course of action adopted by the then government for this particular variation as being highly debatable, because the extension per se was not along the line Cupip to Port Louis, but was in a completely distinct new line from Rose Hill to Redri, which is not in the direction of the main metro line, which costed 18.8 billion rupees. We are implementing measures. As a matter of fact, I've given instruction to stop the train working on Sundays, because it's a total wastage. As regards the other days, we will be working on it and to try and see how to enhance ridership on that line.